We back again with another reaction for Bromanga Mr. Oh, Bri, Ek, Shen. We are back. We are back again upon the CRG Courage. You know, this guy all the time that you move, the record of comes in the bomb, like you can tell what is that thing about what so let me just put it that way because I don't know them personally, but I feel like we're talking about like what comes so every time I listen to that much man I confused that I man and this one is bomb. I don't remember fun exactly remember like the way they rap. Even sometimes their voices at times tiny, there's tiny sound in the fungari and the bomb motor. Mare man, Dobianga CRG Courage, Obana Fizi Fab, na Rootkid Vanda, and Bomo. Track episodes of me rolling. We are rolling. I think conversations come was on air. I got track about him. I don't know who's rolling. Hey. Okay. Hey, upi mani ma. I don't know if you hear like saying much.
See me on the other side trying to freestyle. It's a king, like King Selassie.
That's a king and King Selassie. King Selassie, right? King Selassie is from Gilboa. Gilboa, if I'm not mistaken, it's Gilboa. But it's the king and he had a family. His wife was Queen Rose Benjamin, is King Selassie Benjamin, right? And then his son Jack Benjamin. And those comes to King Selassie, and then his enemies was William Cross and but yeah, man. So this guy actually, well, for him to be king, he was a soldier, right? Over the war. If you remember when the war, but yeah, he was fighting in a war, and then if you're not going to come out the man, most things so the more why he won, he was getting stripes, and then until he became king because Obakorang the rank. So after the war, Selassie will rebuild Shiloh. It was a capital city, Gilboa. It was a capital city. So okay, because destroy, we have to rebuild it. Even sharp, and then about 20 years or rebuild you, right? And then the day inauguration day, it was like a dream or something, a revision. Let me put it that way. Yeah, butterflies. So there's a mutinga hapa, like. There's a crown, like a living crown. This is the hapo his biggest name in the William Cross. The hapo I goth where other this guy goth and then that's where they formed their war. Like man, now this guy is no yes, so yes, what you could that but what could be king as a king, but hey, this guy such a woman as vision is that's where they were able to fight, and then but in a percentage will the draw. So that's just a brief king. King Selassie Benjamin, man. King Selassie Benjamin. He was good, bro. He was good, very good. When I move on, if you want to see the movie, you can go and watch the movie there. And let me just take it back, Nyana. You can go and watch the movie. When I move on, and the actor was very good. Wait, I think I've watched that movie, Nyana. This guy of Ian McShane, I'm sure you know him, but when I went into the series, I'm sure you know him from the season of Evilly. The American Gods, the American Gods there, you can watch him there. But anyway, let's keep it going. That's the education,
Me on the other side trying to freestyle. It's a king, King Selassie, but in the fanga weed, the fanga ganja, and the roller beauty, so we can arrest
Nandrola weed sa weed na mini tungo zifaza weed na bezo zorola zidi hima bana bash ndo professor die so uchifika la weed sa mini na zidi zo kwambo mina fi weed na mini
beauty savuge na respai vanganyitani tofazi punchline vavuri ndina kari kovarunga sanari ai
vavuri ndina talent kovarunga sanari. Nice line, beautiful line. I love this.
tofazi punchline vavuri ndina kari kovarunga sanari ai vamalambanya vana chitushikwamani ai rovonga camouflage vazvidiva chitabi ai
vavona camouflage vazvidiva chitabi. Camouflage ndila kala za masole vala vasazvidiviyo camouflage ndila kala za masole dzidilila
vana chitushikwamani ai rovonga camouflage vazvidiva chitabi ai vakola action ndikola pansi muronga ndo marasha wavo ndiwo matanga ndosvika zino
muronga ndiwa marasha wavo ndiwa matanga. Okay, wava udugesi udwa chipinga nyanya uduga zino wapela nefu maduma wapela zo zvina nepa velse ya toma keyo. Ya
wavo ndiwo matanga ndosvika zino wamapinyo ndosvika nonifusa vene nipanda ai ndobora mbi masole ya muzika rotere komacha
Mimi ndo hwala mbi masole ya muzika. Okay, ndo hwala mbi masole ya muzika because like if you know apo film tuna masole ya muzika sonekana. So awe ndi masole ya muzika like this powers bro. It's the powers and the super saiyan.
Zietani kopisa bakadidosha ni fani ya muzika
Busy. Too fab. What you gonna do, hey?
Picture me rolling in the street.
Chejana zawudi to kidnap with a tender zawudi man. Let me take it back in. Okay. RKB.
Picture me rolling in the streets with the gang. I throw shots and niggas wanna pull up his van. This shit is simple.
Sana pull up his fan damn. Whoa.
Okay, picture me rolling in the streets with the gang. I throw shots and niggas wanna pull up his van. This shit is simple to me. They don't understand. I put my money where my mouth is, cause I'm the bigger man.
I put my mouth where where the money is because I'm a bigger man, bro. I don't care about you guys beefing me and stuff because that's not gonna make me money, right?
I put my money where my mouth is, cause I'm the bigger man. Never could that and style, man. But you won't never got all the freestyle, man. We'll take you back to the streets, Ungarn 8 mile, man.
Freestyle, and then we take it to the street like in the 8 Mile. If you remember 8 Mile, the move with our Eminem. For those who, if you are doing rap, I'm sure you gotta know the movie, man. I feel like you gotta know the movie. You will even learn some tricks.
We'll take you back to the streets, Ungarn 8 mile, man. 350 flow, one of all the line, man. I give them fast mirror.
350 flow, one of all the line, man. Rutgid was flowing on this one, bro. He was on like, you know, like those kind of things where you just chillax and, you know, let the beat do the talking, bro. Kwambesa chick and pull up on the haraga.
I can't hear you no more. Picture me rolling. Bang, bang, bang. See, I'm not being your nigga, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do, man?
Picture me rolling. Bang, bang, bang. Picture me rolling like Tupac.
You saw what I was telling you. Ila verse ya Tom mara mwato ipai kulida. Anga tati ndi bomo. But ya bomo but ya bomo voice. Notice ya ngwele na but ya bomo imo aggressive, if you know what I mean. Like ya bomo ina mo. Yeah, well, yes, but ya bomo ina. Like shani ya Peggy, so good I mean.
Picture me rolling like Tupac. Bang bang the fire fashion.
Bang bang ndo fara for sure. But Okay, bitch. Rolling like Tupac. Okay, bang bang. Okay, Tupac kufanga chigidi, bang bang. Rolling like Nufara for sure.
Bang bang, the fara fascio. Dani mure, dani mari kapton. Puto da navigator tom tom. Bambita.
Dani mure, dani mandikato, to the navigator manditom tom. Okay.
Drop a seafood.
Hilando ifil. Hilando ifavo baba bom.
Dani mari kapton. Puto da navigator tom tom. Bambita bomo drop a seafood.
Vambidza bomb on drop a C4. If you know C4 in the bomb ila yoto. Ish. The bomb ila ndikutanganisa zvitu zvino. But I think aramumrangu is says me right from movies as go na movie. C4 ila bomb inda that yato click ila na kutwa yaposiyo. I think ina C4 ila na round ito tomla ku ringi na pause. I think in la C4.
Lina ego.
The motherfucker na ego. Tipoli powers na chigora miswaso. Ndo para power. Tipoli powers na chigo. Okay.
What I like when I want to stay big. Samakazi na patiko. Get up those eyes, what I like when I want to stay big. Tabamuko. Samakazi na patiko.
Upilo alingozwi bopi bitaba muko ape ha ifisa makazi ndafatiko ndafatikwa like ish uko bifa mkosi zvinafamba vana vacho nditava mukosi samakadzi ndapatikwa samakadzi nditava mukosi samakadzi ndapatikwa like makadzi inawe iwetwa ngantu zvezvila inawe iwetwa ngantu zvino nga mukosi if you remember. So ukopfi nditava mukosi right samakadzi nditava mukosi samakadzi ndapatikwa like nditava mukosi otwatikwa yamakadzi, you know man. Hi man bom, hi man, don't do that man, don't do that. Let's keep it going. It's not ifuna huma tospa dinga bushara go deeper. Okay. Va bomu vai vanga so drepela ngongo.
I can't hear you no more. Picture me rolling. Bang, bang, bang. See, I'm up in you. Nigga, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Picture me rolling.
Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang. Nigga, what you tryna say?
Hey.
I can't hear you no more. Picture me rolling. Bang, bang, bang.
Bam bam bam.
See, I'm up in you.
I'm in your
Nigga, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Picture me rolling.
Yeah. Bam bam bam. Hey. Yeah. Dimangenge. Yeah. We're rolling, man. Track ya 4 minutes. Yeah, 14 minutes. Or actor bang bang bang. Yeah. Yo man, ready for Bromanga, Mr. Operation Directors and Nanyakos Natal. At least no one got King Silas. I man, Silas. But I think Silas I could them by King Silas. Hold on, it was a ring guy in Minnesota. But hey man, who can say no to that? Nandiko to Nandiko the contract.